Hey everybody, Matt from Wheels Through Time here. As you guys know, raffle day is just around the corner. November 20th, we're gonna be giving this 1948 Harley-Davidson Panhead away to one lucky winner. Extremely excited. This is our 19th raffle bike. Really excited to give this thing away, find it a new home. So as you guys know, one of our favorite things to do here at the museum is to dress them up and make the cake a little bit sweeter for the winner. What we've got today is an ultra cool Hanson Sport Shield. What this is 1940s period accessory. This is being remade by a good friend of mine, Gary Gardner, in New York. And Gary took an original Hanson Sport Shield, took some measurements off one here at the museum. This is the coolest part there is, guys. Big functionality here. What you got is actually a retractable windshield. So if this thing raises and lowers, you actually fold up the arms here, and you can do multiple settings on the windshield. What we're gonna do is get this thing installed for you real quick, show you just how it works. Pretty quick, easy 5-minute installation. There's not a lot to it. Now remember, for those of you guys that don't like windshields, this thing's actually removable, so you can take it off, put it in the garage when you win your bike if you wanna ride no windshields. Me personally, I got them on all of my riders. Ton of fun, and it's really gonna dress this thing up. We got the nickel finish with the black front. Really gonna be a hot setup. So we're gonna get this installed, couple clamps and a riser here, and we'll bolt this thing right on, and of course fire this motorcycle up so you can hear it run. All right, here we go. Bolts tightened down. All right, guys, and there you have it. It's that easy, ultra cool Hanson Sport Shield accessory windshield. Check the look of this thing out. Really makes a big difference when you're running down the road too. Adjustable, you got it up. There's actually different lengths of these that you can buy. Really cool setup. It's one of the snazziest and neatest looking components for a Harley-Davidson Springer fork model that there is, guys. So as you guys know, we're gonna fire this thing up, let you hear it run. Remember, annual raffles coming up November 20th. Make sure you support the museum. It's one of the things that keeps us going. Check out wheelsthroughtime.com. Get some tickets today, stop by the museum, get them in person. Remember, we got all sorts of deals. You get free t-shirts, free DVDs. Thanks for your support, guys. Fire it up. Here we go. 3 kicks to prime and hopefully 1 to go.